Good morning guys, and in front of me is POCO C85, and let me show you how to add photo contact on this device. So first of all, open your phone gallery. Now enroll more options and reach contacts. Pick the contact that you want to add profile picture to, select edit and mark profile picture. Now you can open your camera and grab a photo right away. You can open your gallery and pick something from your gallery. You can choose one from Google Photos, from Monogram or from Illustrations, however you prefer. And let me go with my gallery. Now you can rotate it however you like, then tap on choose to apply it and mark save. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.